现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and this artist is Huang Weijie with a song called 亲爱的你, which means my dear. Now, he's not singing to a loved one, but rather to Taiwan, the country, about how there are a lot of tragic things happening around, like the destruction of families, the spoiling of the environment, and he just wants to say to the country, my dear, how are you?
亲爱的你错别你看戏寒暗後生愛親愛的你錯別你寒暗將暗的念想愛親愛的你見比你看戲兩眼無力愛親愛的你見比你兩位羅安記
这一首呢是来自于高雄美浓的客家歌手黄伟杰的作品哦。他用客家的音乐来探讨一些社会的议题，关心发生在这片土地上的人事物。像是这首《亲爱的你》，亲爱的你，就是黄伟杰在唱出他看到台湾各处变本加厉不断的一些令人心痛的事情在发生。比如说有很多家园破碎了，土地也损坏了。他想对这片土地说：“亲爱的你，你好吗？”也希望呢，我们一起呢为你做一些事情。这首歌真的是格外有意义啊！我们来继续收听吧。
愛，親愛的你天公你愛來你愛親愛的天公你含存你多記愛親愛的
亲爱的，亲爱的你 ，My dear, to this country. See you next time with another Hakka song.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.